Hi, in this video I will introduce a VPN app. Its name Browsec Fast Secure VPN Proxy. So this is really amazing and free VPN, but if you want to get more country access, then you have to be a membership, premium membership. So like you can see the rating of the 4.3 out of 5, 1 lakh reviews, 62 megabyte size of the app, and 5 million plus people download this app. If you want to see the looks, unblock restricted content, bypass internet censorship, protect your online privacy. So not everyone it's free, so change your virtual location, change your IP, and people give the many positive reviews. So if you want to learn more about this app, it's really secure. You don't need to worry about the privacy. So simply tap on the install button, so it takes few time to install.